name is Swati. I'm a pastry chef with over 16 years of experience. We're here at the Zafiro Cookery School and we're going to learn the basics of baking and patisserie. Baking is as much a science as it is an art, and every ingredient performs a certain role, which is why you manage to produce a product of a certain type. When you scale ingredients, you need to be sure that you scale exactly as much as you require. So if your recipe says half a cup of sugar, then you cannot just pour in that much of sugar. It has to be a level cup every single time. And these little tips are very, very important when it comes to making your baked product. There are many little steps that go into making a great cake. Sifting, for example, which seems like a very simple action of just mixing together with a sieve, is a very important step because A, it helps you mix your ingredients in thoroughly. The second thing is that it takes out any kind of physical contaminants that you may have, and most important, it adds air into your product. As you can see, when I sift, I am literally lightening my product and making sure that the cocoa and the flour in this case are mixing up very well together. We've got 3 eggs in this bowl, which we're going to aerate with a whisk. We're going to add our sugar in once we start beating the eggs. And the eggs play a very vital role in baking because they help us add air into the mixture. As you can see, even if I start beating it, it starts to increase in volume, and that's very, very important to add air into your cake. So now we're coming to a very important technique, which is folding in the flour into this beautiful sabayon-like consistency that we have created with the eggs and the sugar. And folding basically ensures that you manage to get the flour in, but without losing a lot of air from this mixture. Because if you lose too much air, then you're going to end up with a cake that tastes rather like leather. So the most important thing, now that our cake batter is ready in the pan, is to make sure that the oven that you put it into is preheated. And open the oven as quickly as you can, put the cake in, and make sure that you set the timer to what you require. So join us at the cooking school at the Zafiro to learn how all these little steps in baking join up together to produce a lovely cake like